everybody, this is Michelle and I'm here today to share with you my design team package that I just got like 10 minutes ago in the mail, and I was super excited about it when I saw it because, I mean, just coincidence, I literally just finished putting together my dining room table centerpiece, and I've been using my tiered tray that I started using last month for my dining room centerpiece, and I just finished the red, white, and blue. Tomorrow's Flag Day, so I figured it was time to get it out and decorate. So I have been collecting some things, and look at this. I made Tamara's birdhouse, and I made this shorter, and because of the way the tray is in my thing, because it has this lip, it kind of hides back in there. So I should have made the taller one, but I'm gonna put something underneath and bump it up a little bit. But it turned out super cute. It's the second one I made, and I'm gonna make more, and I'm gonna do this for every holiday. I just love this. But you can see what I've done here. It's super, super cute. I just love it. And I found these cute little fireworks at Hobby Lobby, and I thought, oh, that'd be perfect. But anyway, so enough of my tray here. What I'm really here to show you today is the design team package that I got, and I'm super excited to play with it. Truth be told, I almost bought this the other day when I did an order from Country Craft Creations, then I didn't do it because I bought some other stuff. And I am super glad that I was given this package for the design team project because I really love it. It's super cute. It's the primary colors with the red, white, and blue, but then we have a little bit of the wood grain pattern in here, so it's a little bit of a home style kind of feel. I just love this. So let's go through real quick. Let's start with this. And I have to apologize. I mean, I didn't set up a deal so I could show this to you without wiggling too much. I got too excited, and then, you know, with the backdrop here, I thought this was perfect. So here you go. So the ephemera pack here. So let's look at the back of here and see what's in here. Really cute little designs in the ephemera pack. So this is going to be fun to play with, little frames and sayings and whatnot. I just love it. I just love it. It has that kind of hometown feel. It has the red, white, and blue. It's really cute. And then I got some seam binding here, and it's hard to see in this video, but this is kind of a real dark blue and red, and then this natural, which is going to look perfect with these papers, don't you think? Yep, I do. And I got a 6x6 paper pad. It has 24 papers in it, and we'll do a real quick flip through with this. So we've got, you know, the gingham, we've got fireworks, stars, pennants, the wood grain. Oh, super cute. Really, really cute paper. I love this. So they just keep going. Okay, so let's look at the 12 by 12s. 12 by 12s here. So we've got some cut aparts here, and on the back of this is red and white stripes. And then we have some gingham. And on the back of that, pretty flowers. So that's really super cute. I love it. I just love these colors. They're just cute. Then let's see, we've got these stars and stripes. Can you see that? That's super cute. On the back of that are cut aparts. So a bunch of 4x4 cut aparts. That's cool. Then let's see. Oh, the pennants on the back of the, oh, I love that wood grain. I love that. So the back of that is the banners. That's cute. Then we have stars. And on the back of that one is the 4x6 cut aparts. So those are, I love those. Oh, good. And some of them are horizontal and some of them are, one's vertical. That's good. I like that. I like the different shapes. So we've got, on this one is the fireworks. That's cute. And on the back of that is red gingham. Love it. Then I got, in the pack, I got a couple sheets of, whoops, no, wait. Take that back. This is a sticker sheet. So let's look at the stickers. Lots of stickers. That's cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. Look at the truck. Love the truck. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. This is going to work out really good. Then I got the papers. So we've got the papers that match the line, America by Echo Park. So the one side is a darker red and one side is a lighter red. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that pretty good. So that's good. So we've got two different kinds of red, and then here's the blue. So we've got a darker blue and then a lighter blue on the back. So those are really cute. And then I got, oh, the wood grain paper, and then on the back of that is ivory. So there you go. And then on the, let's see, then I got a couple pieces of chipboard. So yeah, this is going to be a great package, you guys. Countrycraftcreations.com. Go get your papers because this is going to be a super fun project. I already got some ideas planned. And this paper is going to be perfect. So I'm going to work on the tutorials and I will get those out for you real soon. So stay tuned. Go to countrycraftcreations.com, get your papers, and I will be back. So yeah, have a lovely day and stay crafty, and I will see you soon. I'm so excited about this design team package. I just can't stand it. Countrycraftcreations.com, you guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.